Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset Bluebeam toolbars. Now, if your Bluebeam toolbars have disappeared, become rearranged, or you've accidentally customized them, you can quickly restore them, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to use the easiest method, right? So you have absolutely nothing to worry about, which is to restore the default Bluebeam profile. And this is very much recommended. The quickest way to reset all toolbar layouts. Now, launch the Bluebeam Review desktop, and at the top of the window, just go ahead and select Review or Bluebeam Review, depending on your version. Then just go ahead and select Profiles. Then once you select profiles, now you can choose one of Bluebeam's built-in profiles, such as review. That's the review default. You have quantity takeoff, you have field issues, you have office. All right, so we have review advanced, you have quantity takeoff, you have field issues. So as soon as you switch profiles, Bluebeam reloads the default toolbar arrangement for that profile, restoring any standard toolbars that were hidden or moved. So that, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So just head over, come over to profiles, and once you click on profiles, just select any of the profiles, and that's it. You're very much good to go. So I'm going to show you the second method if this doesn't work for you, and that's how to show hidden toolbars. Sometimes the toolbars aren't gone, they're just simply hidden. And how do you find them? Just go ahead and click on tools at the top, and you'll see a list of available toolbars. So just any toolbar with a check mark is already visible. So just click the name of any unchecked toolbar, such as markup, measure, shape, navigation, text file, and you see that Bluebeam immediately displays the selected toolbar. On this thing, I click on tools and click toolbar. So click on toolbar here, and you see all of the toolbars. So you can just check, and you see that they will be available for you. Okay, so go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.